Hello, my name is Chantal and I'm so excited to be your English tutor. I'm a certified TEFL teacher from South Africa with real classroom and homeschooling experience. I've worked with both children and adults and I love helping students build confidence in their English. Whether it's speaking, vocabulary, or everyday conversation, what makes my lessons different is how personalized and engaging they are. I truly believe learning should be fun, not a chore. I use clear methods, real-life examples, and carefully selected materials to help you progress at your own pace. I'm not only focused on your progress, I'm fully committed to your success. My goal is to help you feel proud of your achievements and enjoy the journey along the way. When I'm not teaching, I enjoy traveling, caring for my aquarium, and spending time with my family. I bring that same warmth into every class. I look forward to meeting you and helping you fall in love with English. Let's get started. And that's me, Chantal. Thank you. Bye.